All right, it's time for Frequently Asked Question Friday. So lots of clients call asking when to come in for the next service appointment. So on the mini app, we're going to go into check status in the top left here. Below that, we'll see services, and then we're going to go ahead and select next service to see when the next service is due. We're in demo mode, so obviously yours will be much sooner than January of 2026 or 31,000 miles. Let's say we're going to go ahead and schedule oil service, so we'll select this. And then again, it'll show you schedule service. Demo mode, it won't allow me to do that, so I'll show you an alternate option to scheduling service as well. So we're going back to the main screen. We're going to rotate up a little bit here, and we're going to go ahead and select schedule service. And then Mini of Grand Rapids comes up as recommended because we are the saved favorite, of course. So we'll go ahead and select Mini of Grand Rapids. And then on the left-hand side, we'll see schedule service. And then again, we're going to do an engine oil service. So go ahead and select that. And then we're going to select a date and time. And let's say next week, Wednesday, on the 21st. And we're going to go ahead and select customer waiting at 9 a.m. And we'll go ahead and check for that appointment availability. And then it's going to review your options, a date and time, confirm that your customer waiting and what you need, and then your location. And then again, demo mode, it won't let me do the actual scheduling service, but this shows you what that would look like. Hope this helps somebody. Have a great weekend.